Denflex's Combined Torque Wrench offers the innovation of its technology with remarkable improvements in convenience and stability compared to existing products. There is no need to put your hand in the mouth for initial screw fastening, as it is possible to perform two procedures with a combined torque wrench, eliminating the need for a separate hand driver. The detailed configuration of the Denflex's Combined Torque Wrench includes a head hole and a gear part for screwing a driver in the front section, and an initial fastening rotary handpiece, a torque gauge, and a rotary turn switch knob at the back. Unlike conventional torque wrenches, a structure consisting of a gear part and a shaft is connected to an initial fastening rotary handpiece, which acts as a rotation driver. Let's take a look at the fastening procedure using the Denflex's Combined Torque Wrench. Insert the abutment into the fixture implanted in the alveolar bone. Then, select and mount the driver that fits the screw size and slightly pull the rotary turn switch handpiece to position the arrow indicated on the upper side toward the torque gauge. Insert the combined torque wrench into the abutment hole. Rotate the initial fastening rotary handpiece clockwise to lock it up to a certain degree. Pull the torque gauge to the desired level of fastening torque for the last strong fastening, and remove the torque wrench to check if the appropriate part is successfully fastened. There are several ways to hold the torque wrench with one hand, depending on the user's preference. Let's take a look at the unfastening procedure. Select and mount the driver and position the arrow indicated on the upper side in the opposite direction of the torque gauge. Insert the driver into the screw hole fastened to the abutment. Turn the combined torque wrench body in the unfastening direction of the screw to loosen the strong fastening, and then rotate the rotary handpiece counterclockwise to unfasten the screw. Precautions when using the Denflex Combined Torque Wrench. When fastening or unfastening, set the arrow direction of the rotary directional switch handpiece correctly before using it. Make sure to check the screw size before selecting the driver to be mounted on the head hole of the torque wrench. After use, clean the blood completely on the torque wrench and store it. If the gear part is tight during use, applying Vaseline will enable more pleasant operation. It can be used in various applications, such as when fastening cover screws, healing caps, abutments to fixtures, and when implanting fixtures to alveolar bones. Small changes make a big difference. Denflex Combined Torque Wrench.